Hi, it's Phil in Bangkok.com. Just leaving en route BTS station. I got my bodyguards behind me here, Frank and Gus.
We take care for you.
Yeah, they're gonna go to Best Beef, and the poor place is gonna go bankrupt tonight with us and two of my friends from the UK, Dean and Dom. We're gonna devastate the place and eat all the food up. Best Beef is you just take exit 1 there down here, and it's about 300 meters ahead. And it's all you can eat. You make your own food, and then you pick up your beef or your pork or your chicken or your seafood as well. And it's only I think it's still only 200 baht, which is $6, and so it's pretty $6.66, so pretty expensive. Yeah, I just crossed this main road here, and it's about another 300 meters. You just walk past here, past 48/3, past the big intersection here. And it's just a few meters ahead. And here we are here at Best Beef. Sponsored by Chang Draft. It's a very popular spot, as you can see here, but it's got lots of tables. I think my friend Dom is already here, so oh, there's Dean. Hey Dean, is Dom here yet? Oh, there's Dom. Hey, how's it going? There's the European Union here, so we can find us a seat. So we got some of the stuff we ordered and cooking it up now. Like that.
Because make two pages, yeah.
Alright. We got some fish on there, some dory, chicken and the pork. More beef. Yeah, so for your meat connoisseurs, this is definitely a place to come for only $6.66, all you can eat. Garlic rice is very nice. Very garlic. I think you get a little bit more hungrier because you're waiting for the food to be cooked. Well, we're just at the last of it now. We just got the last slice of pork on there and a little bit of bacon. But I think everyone's all full now, so yeah, it's very nice. And yeah, like I said, 199 baht, which is $3 or $6.33. So yeah, so if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, as well as subscribe to my videos as well, so you'll get usually try and put out a video every week. But yeah, so this is Best Beef on BTS, and said $199, all you can eat.